Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time when you see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Alright, so Arsenal don't make Tchouameni as their 2024 top targets, and our monitoring spirit that they call football transfers. Now they come outside and let us know this new update. So Arsenal, the reason say for 2024, say the likes of Jorginho will only like 32 years, then Thomas Partey maybe 31. So Thomas Partey is not expected to sign a bumper contract extension. Even Jorginho is not expected to sign a contract extension. So by the summer, the reason say they won't sign Tchouameni to come play the number 6 position, so that Rice could do for number 8, making the advance enter inside the opposition box late and bomb the net. So now the plan where Arteta get, because remember say I don't tell talk say once the season don't end, we should be replacing the likes of El Neni, the likes of Jorginho, the likes of Partey, upgrade them. In as much as we love them, we like them, fine, but we need to progress. We can't be using them and be relying on their injury record, especially Thomas Partey. Jorginho be say they really slow our game down. If you want a game with high intensity, high tempo, Jorginho is not your man. Jorginho na person say maybe don't they win 2-0. You want person to reduce the tempo, reduce the intensity. You bring am in, make it help you reduce that. That is why most of the games where they play now, some people they of the opinion say Jorginho is actually making Odegaard to play badly, because the guy is slow down the tempo. With Odegaard not really get that good understanding. That's some people's narrative. But whether that's true, whether that's lie, only time will tell. So how would I take see Arsenal going for Tchouameni? Because last season we actually went for him. Real Madrid said no, they are not selling him. You get. So this time around, we won't test their resolve again, because when you look at Tchouameni, they really get plenty game time. Kamavinga is enjoying. So maybe if you see twisting head, and for the fact he's going to be playing ahead of a countryman will be Saliba, because he goes for defensive midfield, Saliba goes for defense. So we try to use that relationship to wine and make it on join us. Well, it's still fresh at 2024. We'll see access this up. Alright, away from that, do you know that only Watkins don't score 14 goals in 15 appearances for Aston Villa for this season? Again, I don't know if this is not the sign of prolific. I don't know what else we call, because this guy just they enter my eye. All these statistics where they see the guy know they take IC post, like he's scoring for fun. I want to maybe just like the player. 14 goals in 15 starts or 15 appearances this season or more. The guy they really try. So at the talk am again, if we go use an upgrade educator, it don't go bad though. I know say educator go vex, some of his loyalists go say why the guy don't try for that, but it is what it is, I bet. So we need to progress, but Arteta still get the final say. But I like the fact that if Arsenal come out today now say one side of the Watkins, AJ, the boy will come join us, because the person say don't talk am before say in long-term plan to play for Arsenal. The guy love Arsenal, die like he love. Even with Ivan Toney, they too love Arsenal. Alright, so we're going to hear one report. It's going to say Mikel Arteta actually played a very big role to sign Tomiyasu for this Arsenal, like to keep him. You get. Now, do you know that in the summer, Inter Milan actually made an offer, said they won't carry Tomiyasu, and Arteta blocked that move. The Arsenal hierarchy were happy to let him go. Arteta actually blocked the move, because say this guy not be play away. In type of player not plenty for the world, because it's an asset, somebody that can play anywhere across the back line. So for that reason, Arteta can't keep him. Last season, the way the guy played this season, no play like that last season. No. This is the company that can't get this extra enthusiasm, like the ginger come full ground. Anyway, you put him, you go play him like say in perfect position. And I also told me has to talk say whether na full back go, whether na right center back or any way in play, saying just one play and the guy they enjoy enough game time this season. I just be happy for him, make him just they enjoy 9 time. Alright, so I can't read up more on the Man City and the Everton financial fair play rules so they breach. So can they check why they say Everton own sharp we don't get the judgment, Man City own say they take time. So the reason can be say Everton actually had one breach. Just one breach, they can't get imminent 12 points deduction. Now Man City get 115 breaches That is why Man City will take years for them to like investigate. They don't finish the investigation, but another special commission like on the look at, because Man City fit appeal the thing. So that's why Carragher say at the end of the investigation of this 115 breaches, if it is found and proven beyond all reasonable doubt, say Man City commits this thing, maybe they relegate them 5 divisions below. So more just the wait. It will fit take time, but at the end of the day, there must be a resolution. So we'll know whether they will banish them, or they will take them 5 leagues below. Because if you give person commit one breach, just one, if you give them 12 point deduction, what if one person commit 115? So that's what is on the table. For me, I don't really know. We'll just see the wait, we'll watch. Alright, so another talk on here from Spurs will be one of the Turkish media houses. So kind of let us know, say Arsenal actually they interested in signing Sachaboui of Galatasaray. So the reason for January, if you go make an offer like 20 million euros to sign the player, because when you check out for January, Tommy has to go Asian Cup. So would they somehow short for right back? Would they left with the likes of Ben White and Cedric Suarez? Only those two will get there. For the left back, would they left with Zinchenko and Jacob Kivior? You get, if you like. So Arsenal they look for reinforcements for that January. Well, that's such a buoy. I don't go for the guy before. I'm not gonna wait to make the deal no go through, but just the watch out, because me I just like the fact say we are being linked with players already to show say there's like we are proactive about this thing. We have done already they put our hand for the market. Say okay, who go buy, because that January could be key. Remember say December gone, our festive calendar. Go check our December calendar. We are playing 8 games in December across all competitions. So games will come quick and fast. So we need a lot of people to dey fit, and people fit come dey get injured now enter January. Even though I no pray for that one, but I just dey give you the worst case scenario wetin go happen for December. Because when you play so much games in quick succession, if you come dey affect people. Alright, so today will be Friday. Arteta go hold press conference normal because no say tomorrow we dey play Sheffield United. So even though the press conference, if updates must come up now, we'll hear about Gabriel Jesus scan. Whether updates done day, then if any other person gets injury, we go know. If everybody get a clean bill of health, we go know. So once the updates done they come, inshallah, I will let you know later. Alright, so the Daily Mail come as I can do an expose on Sheffield United. Sure, you know say Sheffield United don't tell Paul Heckingbottom, maybe their coach say if he lose against Arsenal on Saturday, because they play in the afternoon, 3 p.m. Nigerian time. So if he lose, see they go sack him. You get. So what this now means is the match we Arsenal will play against Sheffield United is battle of survival. Then a survival match for the man. He will want to do all it takes not to lose. So what's it mean? I'm not expecting to come and second play with us. What's it they will do? 10 men behind the ball, lock up everywhere and hope to God. Say Arsenal no unlock him. Now the way me I say I maybe play like 5-4-1 or 6-3-1. I don't know how they want to do that. That one I just to lock up everywhere. I don't think they will even offer anything in attack, because when the team has just 1 point in 9 games, you will start to react. Say, what's it they're going to do for all those 9 games? Is it that they don't offer anything? How many shots on goal do they have? Like, is it that their keeper is a shit packer? What's the problem? Me I don't feel no. But man will be saying that they are bad form. It will make sense for them continue against Arsenal. Then after Arsenal, maybe they come better because they identify Chris Wilder. Say if they sack Paul Heckingbottom, they will come sign Chris Wilder to carry them because they don't want to go relegation. Well, it is what it is. Now the nature of the EPL with this hiring and firing. That's what it be. Alright, even Keith Hackett will be one of the former EPL referees. So Baba come they talk about the new generation EPL referees. And so they did very, very lazy. In short, they are unreliable. Like they don't finish their training, they don't get up to standard because the kind of numerous errors, lack of consistency, just inconsistent officiating when they do, like the thing they shock them. It was not that bad in our own time. I would say Baba they talk, because when you look at all these errors, something will cost red card for here. For this match, you know go cost red card. Something will them blow as penalty for here. For this match, you know go blow as penalty. Why they know they get consistent officiating? Not be one rule book. All of them they use. So the guys they ask so many questions out there. I mean, are they happy? So now a former referee actually come outside, they criticize the current referees waiting for the EPL. If they say that maybe pundits now, they talk, they go say okay, maybe you get bad, but for a former referee to come out and say the current referees in the EPL, they lack the standard where we need. They are unreliable and they are very, very lazy. They don't want to do the work. Okay? So it is what it is. So more just the way so that the Pidgin will still switch things. Our apology, we don't wait, tire. We don't see any apology. Well, Life goes on. The apology gonna will even add more points to our table. So life goes on. I know believe say 2 police officers will be Arsenal fans for South Wales. What you call the year now? They say the police officers they don't face investigation after they watch Arsenal versus Crystal Palace match on their way to answer a 999 call. You get? So this happened on the 5th of August 2022. So the passenger when they carry for the back of the cruiser, you get, when they blow their whistle on their lights, they go for the to go save whatever they want to. I know that domestic violence or whatever they want to go save. So the person now video them. So those guys, the Arsenal fans, they can't put the phone for the dashboard. They can't watch the match as in they blaze through. So at the end of the day, police they investigate them. But so far so good now. No action has been taken on them. You get? So I just say we can just chip up the point. Say football is an emotional and a passionate sport, and sometimes they override our judgment. Like you override those policemen when they in the line of duty and they can't leave. What did they do? They can't they laugh. If you watch the video, they laugh, they happy, and last night they popo Crystal Palace. Alright, Chris Sutton will be one of our pundits. So Baba come and say talk for this match. We Arsenal will play against Crystal Palace. So almost say nothing they see when to pass Arsenal knocking them 3-0. They don't see they don't get anything that they offer sadly. You get actually that yesterday Mr. Talk say normally they're supposed to come Arsenal pack like 6-0 they go out. People say hey Saturday don't start again. No, all these things you are saying is on paper because when you look at our antecedent, look at our form, look at the kind of players we have, they look at their own players, and when you check their record in 9 games they get 1 point. So Shena for against the come beat us. You get I don't see that happening. You get so, but at the end of the day, I understand, say, now 11-11. I understand, say, then get one kind of incentive now to actually perform. In fact, they don't need to win. All they need to is just secure a draw so that they go sack their manager. But we self must compound their worries, we must add because we are trying to go high up the table. Themselves, they try to go high up the table because they are in 20th, they'll be trying to go at least up to 19. Where we did, in fact, today, Tottenham Hotspur will play Crystal Palace. Crystal Palace, they at home for the Selhurst Park. So for that match, I want to see whether Crystal Palace will test the resolve of Spurs because Spurs never really meets that kind of tough. Not be saying they'll be big team, but team where they below, where still they stubborn. They knock Manchester United, they win as well. Must see how the match will go. They win now, and tomorrow we will play. Which means if Spurs win now, they will come like maybe 5 points ahead of us and Man City. So we need to win to respond. So if we win, we'll come 2 points behind them again. Then Man City, they play Manchester United for the Old Trafford, so anything can happen. Even though the bookmakers actually gave Man City 1.74, they can't give Manchester United 4.9 for you to know say Man City are the favourites, even though now for the Old Trafford they play. But at the end of the day, most of the say everything will unfold. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what yesterday, should check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So start signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. And game out.